Whoa! You see, the party has started. The carnival has started. Look at the smile. Smile. Happy? Happy. 来。接下来我们一起走。Hey man, let's go to Lixian to have some camping and hiking.
Wow, I would love to, but tomorrow I have to go to Shanghai. Can't make it, I'm sorry.
How about your mom?
My mom, excuse me?
Camping, hiking, music. Let's go, man.
I can. Next time.
So yeah, all by myself. Well, actually, I got like over 1,000 people here tonight by this riverside in this孟屯River Valley for this carnival. And we got like band, food. 开玩笑 campsite. 哎，你们是从哪里过来的呀？Oh, enjoy tonight. Hiking trails, Mother Nature, ethnic culture, and almost everything. Come on! The carnival has started. It's too noisy. Whoa, it's very cold tonight, and the temperature is below 10. But now you feel the passion here. A lot of people is cheering for the band. The music they play is very popular. A lot of people can sing with it. For example, like this one is very popular from the tiger. It's the tiger. I forgot the name. It's called 小虎队. It's a little tiger. Whether it's a tiger or big tiger, doesn't matter. But it's called a tiger. So everybody sing with it. I'm so happy. Still something is missing. You know what is missing? You.
Me?
Yes, you. Not only you. All my friends, come here. But luckily, there are so many other festivals, activities, and celebrations across the 4 seasons. You still get a chance. And moreover, it's only like 2 or 3 hours drive from Chengdu to here. Easy. Different trails are available for either pros or amateurs, and even for the kids. Anyway, my point is just be in the nature, get close to it, feel it, respect it, and protect it. Because this is such a wonderful place. So grab your gears, and I will be waiting for you right here. Yeah, here you come.